Anyway, we just got a phone call to come over here to this shop to impound a couple of vans, and there's 3 police department cars. There's 3 Gwinnett counties inside the property. I don't know exactly what it is. I don't want to speculate. I don't want to speculate any details. I'm going to pull in here. You know, if I could pull in there, I don't guess I can. I guess I'm blocked out. I guess the police got me blocked out. We're gonna find out what's going on, unless I got a driveway on the other end, which I don't see no driveway on the other end. But long story short, this guy's impounding some vans. He wants some vans out of here. And he had the police come over here. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
How much, man?
Are you the impound for this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, no. We don't need you on that.
Okay.
I'm waiting for the impound guy. How much you...
Who owns the property? Who owns the property?
He does. But he was calling you to tow a truck for me down the street, charging me $65. Well, you don't want to act
You're trying to tow it? Or you trying to impound it?
No, I'm going down the street to another shop because he don't want to work on it. He told me $65. You was in Ackworth. He said it was going to take 2 hours. Was that you? That was someone else?
Well, it's up to him. If he owns the property, it's up to him.
Well, the cops are here. That's why the cops are here to stop him from messing with my cars. Let me ask them. Hold on.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Looks like we got some problems going on.
He said, how much would you be willing to take one of the cars down the street? Because I got one tow truck coming now.
Yeah, I'm going to cut this off so you can hear it real good.
He told me 65.
Let me tell you this right here, man. If he owns the property, this ain't like you called to have me. You already called somebody. You just told me you had somebody else coming. He called me to come tow it off the property.
I got 2.
That's what we do. We come get them. I mean, and I'm not trying to.
So you can't tow it down the road for me.
I'm here to impound it. You know, it's private property impound. That's what I'm here.
Just do impound.
Well, you know, we do impounds, but hey, the man that owns the property.
I understand, but if the business owner says, go ahead and do business with him. Do what he needs and do what
I will talk to him. Yeah, I'll talk to him, but that's up to that's between between my boss and him.
There you go.
Yeah, I mean we're yeah.
So he can get the property.
Well, it's okay. Yeah, it's up to my boss what we do.
Go on in there. Before we get all wet. See that truck that's here?
This guy's trying to get the cops to stop from impounding the vehicle. The cops ain't here to stop anybody from impounding.
I mean, you're 100% right. If he wants him off, he can take him.
If you're asking me to let his guy tow it, I got no problem doing that. It's up to you. But I'll back up and load it right now.
What we're trying to find out is see if he can take both. Because if he can't take both, then you can take this one. Because there's 2 of them. It's this blue van and that van. You see what I'm saying?
You need to tell him. Let's see which way that one's pulled. Hey, you need to tell him if he's going to take them both, he needs to load that one first.
Together.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%. And I agree with you 100%.
Yeah.
If you take it both, you say can you take that blue one?
Yeah. Yep. We're gonna load this van right here up. This is an impound, man. Property impound.
Huh?
He told me to load that other car. This is the impound.
No. He said you were going to do business with this guy.
I just talked to that gentleman right there. He said he wants the vans gone. And he said the other guy said if he could get two, he could take that one.
Yeah, but
he told me to load this car right here. I hadn't made no agreements on anybody. He didn't call us to tow the vehicle.
Well, he just said.
Let's go back down here and talk to him, man, because
I know, it's too much to hear. It said, she said.
Yeah, well, I know what I was told by your fellow officer right here. He told me to load the vehicle up.
Where's the bro at? Did you not talk to him directly? Yeah. How you saying?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. You said load this one, right? That was supposed to load it.
That's there. Load it to work with this guy, the owner. Yeah, okay. That's the owner. Okay. Okay. It's out of my hand. It's in hand of officers.
Yeah.
Whatever they say. I wash my hand out of it.
Okay.
I called the impound yard because he was in the grass, and I told him both car has to leave out of my property. He brought it over there, and then again.
How long has they been here?
How long that car was here?
This one you were working on them. So they were
I didn't work on it.
Start all that.
I didn't work on it. Are you going to work with this guy or not, brother?
I towed cars, man. He should have had it moved. I mean, like I said, if he'd been warned and told to move it.
Are you going to work with this guy or not?
I'm not here to work with him. I'm here to tow cars. That's what I do. No, I'm not.
It's out of my hand.
It's out. He called me to come get a van. You know, and regardless of whether anybody's happy. We tow cars. You call my boss and you talk him. We tow cars. I pull up and yank them, dude. Non-consensual.
Can I do this?
Non-consensual towing. He told me to leave a minute ago. So you know what I'm saying? He should have been asking me, hey, can you tow? Don't tell me to leave. Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna call my boss and ask him. Yeah. 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 Yo, we kind of got a dilemma over here. I pulled up, man. Pulled up over here, couldn't get on the property because the cops were here. Because there's cops over here. Evidently, the gentleman owns the van. You there? The gentleman owns the van's called the cops out here. He's trying to get them involved to get them to mediate, and he called a tow truck to come get one of his vans. The tow truck said he wasn't getting the other one, so I was instructed to load the other van, which is what we're here to do. We're here to impound cars. And now he's trying. The cops are trying to get me to work with the guy, and he said, well, the owner of the store said, you gonna work with the other guy? I said, look, man, the owner of the store, he called this car into impound, and that's what I'm here to do. So I hooked the car. Anyway, the cops trying to get me to tow it to down the road for this guy. But this guy we're towing that owns the vehicles was telling me, oh no, I got my own tow company coming. Well, it ain't like that. This is impounds, and I'm explaining that to them. I explain that to him. It's a private property impound.
What's happening, man? Because the guy's ready to go.
Who is?
The other tow guy. He's gonna take them both.
He just said he wasn't taking both, man.
Yeah,
he just said I know your guy.
Talking to him.
You just told me to leave, though, man. Hey,
I got my
listen,
guy.
My boss told me it's $100 and $100 hook, $3 a mile.
No, I'm gonna let him take it.
Okay, well, you're gonna have to pay the drop fee. It's a $100 drop fee. All right.
What do you say, brother?
I'm on the phone with my boss. The boss said he the best deal he can do. It's $100 hook, $3 a mile, or I'm gonna tow it down here to the lot, or you can pay the drop fee $100.
Yeah, but he's got a hook. Why did you hook it like that? I don't got no money for that. This guy's taking it. He's taking both of my cars. He said he ain't got the tow truck in at the same time while he's hooking up. Come on, this ain't right, man. I don't got that kind of money. First of all, why you even hook up to my car? I can't believe this shit, man. I just saw you out here now. He hooked up to my car. Now I give him $100. And what did he hook up? He only got a witch line on there. He ain't even hooked to nothing.
You decide. Here's your 2 points.
Down here.
Man, I've been ripped off all freaking day long. Go ahead, man.
Got it? You know where to take it?
Hook it up. Crooks all the way around.
Listen, listen. Hey, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it to our lot. Oh, this guy here runs the place. He's been putting up with this shit, man, and he told him it's getting towed to the lot.
You know what you should take it?
I'm not doing that. He's sitting here cussing at me. I ain't talking. I'm taking this shit to the lot, man.
I don't got no money to just give some.
It ain't some guy, it's a tow guy. I'm the guy, the man that owns the property called to get the car. I'm not disrespecting. Yeah, we're not arguing. Yeah, hey, you want to pay it? I'm trying to give him an opportunity to pay it. It's going to cost $175 if I take it 5 miles. He can pay the 100. He can pay the 100, man. That's the cheapest way to do it.
Come on, man. You got to decide.
Take your money.
Hey, if it would have been.
Where's it going?
He's taking.
No, he's letting somebody else take it.
Oh, he's going.
I'm not going to get on the other end over there and argue with you on the other end. Anyway, I want to thank everybody for watching. The channel's getting bigger. We're fixing to hit 100K. I want to thank all my subscribers, all the commenters and the viewers. I want to thank my boss, and I want to thank God for keeping me safe every single day. I'm going to be doing a 100K giveaway. I'll be doing some cash giveaway on the 100K mark. And I will be announcing it before it hits, and I'm trying to figure out the best way to do the giveaway. Either way, we're going to be doing it, and it's going to be a cash giveaway. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. We got more coming. Peace.